Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this ballerina workout. I use these exercises to both lengthen and strengthen my muscles. As always, we have 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's begin with some normal glute bridges. Feet are flat on the floor. On the exhale, lift your seat up, and on the inhale, lower down, rolling through each and every vertebrae. Make sure that your knees are in line with your ankle and your ankle is straight so that your knees are still in line with your first and second toe. Keep going and squeeze your glutes at the top. You've got 20 more seconds.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Roll down, and the next one we're going to be going back to that glute bridge, but we're going to be lifting one foot up to the sky and flexing the heel down. Feet flat on the floor, lift your hips up. Let's lift the right knee, extend, and then flex the heel down. Kick it up. Think of this kick as more as a lift and a hold at the top versus a kick, so you don't throw all of your lower body out of whack. Nice and controlled, we're stabilizing that supporting leg, and let's switch sides, lifting the left knee, same thing, extend the leg, and then flex the heel down and kick it up. Keep going.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Roll all the way down, feet are back on the floor, and let's move on to our side to go into some clamshells. So we're going to keep our knees stacked, hips stacked, ankle stacked as we lift our knee open to close. We're externally rotating the top hip. Make sure that your spine is straight and make sure that you're not opening your hips too much, that your hips aren't stacked anymore. Keep going. Finishing the last one. Next, we're going to take that top leg and take it to the back. The bottom leg is going to extend as we lift the bottom leg up and down nice and slowly, making sure that our inside of our heel is lifting towards the ceiling. You're going to feel your inner thighs here. Keep going.
Okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Next, we're going to be extending that bottom leg again, but we're going to open up both hips by externally rotating the legs, turning out into a little first position. Take your toe to your knee and lift your knee up and down. From passe, you're going to lift your knee towards your shoulder and back down. We're on the same side, by the way. Keep going. In the next 10 seconds, you're going to extend the top knee. So keep lifting the toe up and lifting the knee up and lower down. Now let's begin to lift the knee, extend the knee, stretching the leg, and then flex the heel to touch the other one. Take the toe to the knee, lift the knee, extend, and flex down. Again, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, and flex down. Toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, and flex down. Last one, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, and flex down. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather. Now we're going to bend both knees, extend the top leg so that it is parallel still. Toes are facing the front, lifting it as high as you can, abducting. We're going to make little circles towards the corner. Notice my hips are still stacked, and if I flex my foot, my toes are facing you guys rather than facing the ceiling. This means we are abducting our leg, taking our leg away from the midline of our body, really working on our outer thigh and outer glutes. Let's reverse the circles. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Next one, let's prop up onto our elbow. Make sure you're always lifting your waist here. Hips are still stacked, knees are stacked, toes are stacked. And now we're going to lift the top leg slightly and tap the knees and then tap the toes. Keep doing this motion, making sure you're not rocking backwards and forward on your hip. Keeping your hips really stable, core is engaged, and keep your back straight. One long line from the top of your head to your tailbone. Keep going. This one's really difficult for your glutes, I know. And relax. We'll do everything on the second side. So swing your legs around and we begin with normal clamshells for 40 seconds. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Opening our top leg and relaxing the knee down. Hips are stacked once again. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Next, we're going to take the top leg to the back, bottom leg extended, and we're going to do those heel lifts, engaging our inner thigh. So let's lift the bottom leg up and down. Again, the inside of our ankle and heel is facing the ceiling, toes are facing the front. Keep going.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
And relax. Again, we're going to extend both legs to a little first position and we're going to draw the toe along the inside of our calf, take the toe to the knee and lift the top knee to our shoulder and tap the toe down. Keep going for 20 seconds.
I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide, when everything is a lie, you'll find that out.
Now let's lift the knee, extend the leg, flex the leg lower down. Take the toe to the knee, lift the knee, extend the leg, flex the foot lower down. Again, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend and lower down. Take the toe to the knee, lift the knee, extend and lower down. Beautiful. Relax for a quick 10-second break and both knees are bent, hips are still stacked. Slightly bring your knees forward, extend your top leg towards the corner and we draw those little circles in our abduction. So let's draw those circles for 10 seconds and then reverse for the next 20 seconds.
When the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood.
Finishing the last one, let's prop ourselves up onto our elbow. Spine is straight, hips are stacked, and we tap our knees together and then our toes together. See how my knees are slightly in front? That allows for a little bit more flexion in our hip, and you'll really feel your outer hip work here. Keep going for 30 more seconds.
Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt it's at home. Take me back.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Swing your legs back and go into a tabletop. Hands are stacked underneath shoulders, knees are underneath hips. Tuck your toes under, lift your knees and shins off the floor to hover in a bear hold. Hold this for 4 seconds in your own time and then press up into a downward facing dog, lifting your heels. You're going to feel your thighs here, but it's also a nice stretch for your hamstrings. Keep your core engaged, belly button to spine, and make sure your neck and head is in line with your spine. Keep going.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret.
Amazing. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and go into a low plank after this quick 10-second break, and we're going to be doing double knee taps. Keep your core engaged, belly button to spine. Make sure you're not drooping your head or cranking the back of your neck. Keep going, double knee taps in a low plank. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Next, we're going to be in a tabletop on our elbows once again, extending one leg to the back into little arabesque lifts, nice and slow. Make sure that our back leg is actually parallel. You're going to be feeling the back of your leg more versus turning it out. Keep your hips square, squeeze your bum at the top, and engage your quad by pulling up your knee. Keep going, belly button to spine. Don't let your ribs flare out and your back collapse. I challenge you to hold this for the next 10 seconds before we go to the other side. Let's switch sides, same thing. See if you can hold for 10 seconds once again at the end. Let's take our left hand flat on the floor, right elbow on the floor, and lift our left leg as high as we can to the side. Notice that my toe is in line with my hip, and I'm using my hand to slightly open up my shoulders so that I can slightly open up my hips. This is a great exercise if you're moving towards a tilt in dance class. Good. And let's go into some knee circles. So keeping the same alignment with your spine and elbow and hand, just bend your knee and do some huge circles with your knee. This is really great to open up the hip. Keep going.
To your face, and I know.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Let's switch sides. We start with our toe taps for 20 seconds, and then we do those circles with our knee bent for 20 seconds in 3, 2, and 1. Let's get started. My right hand is flat on the floor and my left elbow is on the floor as I lift my right leg. Keep going. Now we do those huge circles with our knee. Now I'm trying to draw the biggest circle possible, really opening my hips, but also flipping my hips to face the front so it's almost in a split. Keep going.
I think you know how low I can go low. I go low
And you are done. Amazing work. Guys, go ahead and take a cross body stretch. Take one foot flat on the floor, sitting on your glutes, and use your elbow as leverage to twist against your top leg. Take that top leg and place the heel on the knee and the knee on the heel. Option here to stretch forward or just relax your head and your neck side to side. Let's take the top leg towards the side, extending it out, bending the other knee, and reach up and over to take a nice deep side stretch. Let's do everything on the second side, taking that little cross body stretch with one foot flat on the floor, one knee bent, sitting on our glutes. Top leg goes to a crisscross applesauce, heel on the knee, knee on the heel. And then our half straddle, half butterfly with a nice deep side bend. Amazing work today, guys. You did so great. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.